So we have done all these steps, step 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 4, 26, and so on, came down to step 180, and then described how the leaves were, whether the leaves had the gland dots, and then finally decided that this belongs to the family Rutaceae. So we have reached a conclusion that we have concluded that F79 Rutaceae is the ending stage in this identification, and we assume that this specimen belongs to the family Rutaceae. The next thing is go back to the Rutaceae in this book or in the identification manual, whatever it comes up there, and then start reading the description of the family Rutaceae. In this case, it says flowers are bisexual, actinomorphic, sepals are 4 to 5, stamens as many or twice as many as petals, rarely more, usually free, ovary superior, consisting of 4 to 5, more or less united or free carpels. Styles usually united, disc thickened, ovules 1 to several per loculus, fruit separating either into usually 2-valved carpels with the endocarp separating elastically, and the seeds blah 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 blah. Then the plants are usually herbs, shrubs, or trees, leaves opposite or alternate, simple or compound, gland dotted, and exstipulate, means they don't have the stipules. So try to assess all these characteristics, and you have identified all these things, and see, compare the description here with what you have already discovered by dissecting that specimen. So in this case, most of the characters described here apply to the specimen you are dealing with. So as a result, we can believe that this specimen belongs to the family Rutaceae. So the next stage is to find out which genus within Rutaceae this particular specimen belongs to. To do that, again, just go through some of the keys provided here. In the family goes into the, again, several characteristics, and finally leads to several genera within the family, and then that ends. That's more than enough for this class. If you want to know which particular species within the genus, then you need to go back to the main book. They describe the details of all the species that belong to the genus which you are going to discover. So,
okay, can you just say that you need to go back to the main book?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I'll cut that bit.
So this process will take you to the genus level. If you want to go further down to the species level, you need to refer to this book, which has got the description for individual species within the genus. And for this class, you don't need to go to the species level. You can finish up with what the information given to you using your plant identification manual.